Panigale, the Ducati V4S is ready to ride, expertly repaired here by the folks, or I should say recalls taken care of here by the folks at MotoForza. Very happy to pick it up. I'm going to try and vlog at least a little bit of the ride home. Hope the sound comes through. If not, I'll speak over it. But interesting, MotoForza just picked up the Triumph distributorship. So if you're interested in a Triumph and you're up in North County, San Diego, or anywhere in San Diego, come on by. Anyway, there she is. A lot of things to talk about what they did to it. And I got to get on my high horses and head back to Wistful Vistas. But just picking it up.
Okay, as I just said, I picked up, or at least I said to myself on my iPhone video log, I just picked up the Panigale V4S full custom carbon by Jared Campisi that I have now renamed the Phantom. Just picked it up and just rode it about, say half the way home here, and I wanted to vlog the rest of the ride home. Here it is. Let's see if you can see that. Yeah, you can. Here it is. It's beautiful. I'm going to detail the work that was done on it once we get back. But let's sit down, crank it up, and get it started. Okay, I have to have it started because I do not have touch-sensitive gloves, as I mentioned. And I don't have the remote. I don't know where the heck I would put it on this machine. It's so compact. There's no room left over for anything. So you get to watch me put on my gloves one more time. Let's crank it up. Watch the dashboard go through its lovely little pirouette and fire up. The Kraken is released. Now I got to find the kickstand. This is a common complaint on these V4s, and well deserved. That kickstand, they must have got the bike done and said, oh yeah, we got to put a kickstand there. And then finding the darn thing is never easy. And ladies and gentlemen, this is why you should always back a motorcycle into a parking location, because getting it out can be tough. Okay, I am stopped along one of my favorite roads, which is Del Dios Highway, and we are going to get back out on the highway here as I situate myself, wrap myself into the loving arms of the Phantom, the Jared Campisi full carbon V4S. Oh, she likes to rumble. Come on, mister, you got a green light. Go, 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 buddy. Well, our fate is set for us. We're going to be behind a pickup truck. And we could run him down at about 100 yards. But there'll be a little traffic out. It's a little further into the afternoon that I wanted to get all this done. But I have this brilliant idea, and I say it's brilliant because I came up with it, so you know obviously it's brilliant. But I have this really brilliant idea for a video that I'm going to be doing, and you'll have to hang on and wait to see what it is, but it is going to be pretty fun. I already did one segment of it. I'll just give a hint, see if anybody's smart enough to pick this up. It's going to involve 3 segments. So if you can pick up from that, go ahead and take off. So my task really is getting some hours on this machine. I don't have too many hours. I've got maybe 3 hours on it so far, and it's been 5 days in the shop for the recalls, or as I was told, bulletins. They're not recalls, they are bulletins. They are fix and repair bulletins. I don't think this is a great view you're getting here. But it took 5 days, and there was some pretty fundamental work done. So they had to pop the whole motor apart to get to the timing chain, because this machine's been was one of those that was affected by the timing chain. And that's too bad, but I would like to have actually seen that, because that's delving pretty deep into the Stygian depths of the Desmos Sedici. Actually, it's 4 cylinders. You see me, sir, 4 valves per cylinder. Sedici is a beautiful Italian language word for 16, so there are exactly 16 valves in this thing. And if you've ever seen one of those operating, they have mock-ups of them operating so that you can see them. You can't see it while it's obviously buttoned up in the machine and running, but they do have mock-ups that you can see them running. My suggestion is look at it. It's fascinating. It's fascinating. All right. Okay. Turn out the lights. The party's over. We are heading into the afternoon go-home time for those people who are working. Got to watch out a little bit speed here. I'd like to go much faster, but Rancho Santa Fe police are out in force, and we are in the middle of the go-home time, so it's just how we have to play the hand that was dealt to us. I can't look down and see too well ahead. I don't think I've got a great field of view this time with my chest mount, so I think there have been better mounting position situations even with the chest mount that I could have used on this, but at least you're getting the ride in with me. At least you're getting the ride in. Getting some more V4S seat time. A little more seat time here. But what a lovely day for a ride. Just had 10 days of rain, and it's just washed everything away. Really a grand day for a ride. That person's going away. They do mean it. Yep, she didn't see me. So if you're rolling along, if you're actually rolling along, this it's very easy to find neutral while you're rolling. If you wait till you're stopped, it becomes a bit more of a challenge. It wants to slip past neutral. You have to have a little finer control of your feet. And that makes sense because these are all what we used to refer to in racing times as dog clutches. They're square cut gears, and there's teeth that run around the outside of them, and they slam in and slam out there. There's no subtlety to them. But if you want to find neutral, it's always best to have just a little roll on going forward where you can just gingerly get it up into neutral, and that seems to be a sweet place for this machine.